This video demonstrates some Ansys Minerva's capabilities. A simple collaborative workflow composed of 3 tasks and 2 personas. Bob signs in through his preferred web browser and lands on his dashboard. From here, he can launch a new simulation request. The work request exposes different attributes. It can also reuse an existing business template that defines the workflow. Once saved as input files, Bob can reference any data. In this example, he selects this CAD file already stored in the data repository. He can then check that he selected the right file, thanks to metadata information, such as CAD properties, images, and lightweight 3D visualization, all extracted automatically. Bob is now sure he'll use the good input. The work request exposes also light program management capabilities, as this Gantt chart that displays the tasks of the workflow. Bob can access and start his task. He sees his input CAD file and can open it using his preferred local tool, Ansys Space Claim in this example. Ansys Minerva provides unique capabilities to configure, launch, and manage the data flow produced by any local application. Hence, Bob can work the way he's always worked, but Ansys Minerva takes care of the traceability for him. Here, he simply extracts from a whole assembly the part that requires an FEA analysis. When he's done, Bob can check that the data produced has been uploaded automatically in the Output tab of the task. So, he can declare his task as complete. Now that's Jane's turn. Bob's task completion triggered an email notification. Jane knows she has a task to perform. She has direct access to the task input, in this case, the CAD previously prepared by Bob. She can also quickly check that her input file is the one she was expecting. The embedded messaging capabilities allow quick and easy collaboration between the users. Here, Jane asks Bob for a confirmation about the material data she should use in her simulation activity. Bob answers. Now, Jane knows she can work with the right information. So, she uses the CAD file, ready for simulation, in an application, here Ansys Workbench, configured with a modal analysis workflow that consumes the CAD file selected. As an analyst, Jane sets up her simulation within Ansys Mechanical, as she's used to. Here, in this simple example, the modal analysis requires a mesh and a frequency range setting. When she's done, she chooses to export the corresponding solver input file. As previously, she closes her application, and all the data generated are pulled back automatically into Ansys Minerva for traceability. Then, she can leverage her company's HPC resources, since Ansys Minerva is connected to the remote simulation resources available. Once submitted, she can monitor the progress of the simulation job. After completion, the results generated by the simulation are saved back into Ansys Minerva. Here, automatic metadata extraction extracts a simulation report, metadata, and a 3D lightweight visualization of the main results. In this example, the first modes of the modal analysis are available. For Jane, the results are satisfactory. So she completes her task, which will freeze the version of all the data produced. This completes the whole work request and concludes this video. Thanks for watching.